Thanks for that, Virginia Newton-Lewis. A statistic that I would like to share is some of the newest data recently released by the World Bank. This data indicates that there is an annual spending gap of $140 billion to achieve SDG 6.1 and 6.2. Put slightly differently, that's $140 billion per year above what is already being spent. This represents in total a threefold increase. These numbers demonstrate what people in the water and sanitation community have been saying and identifying for years, that traditional methods of paying for water and sanitation access for everyone in the world are simply not enough. What can we do about this, and how should we see water differently? I think what we need to do as a water community is listen to ourselves and embrace the complexity that we understand to be inherent in water. In the water community, we are very good at detailing how complex water is and what makes it so difficult. Despite this, however, we also seem constantly on the hunt for a single silver bullet solution to solve the entire water crisis. If the problem is complex, and we know that it is, then we need to be honest about what a full solution will require and how complex that in itself will also be. For example, lately, the silver bullet has been private finance. And I say lately, but really this is in the past 5 years, if not 10. And not even will private finance itself be the solution. We also try to reduce private finance to a single mechanism. But microfinance is not going to solve for water alone. Social impact bonds will not solve for water alone. De-risking investment will not solve for water alone. Parametric climate insurance will not solve for water alone. Our success will be when we coordinate with each other and align to develop a portfolio that genuinely looks at the different needs and make sure that different financial solutions are deployed to achieve all of those and really get the whole picture in full. Along those lines, I would say that what gives me hope is, even though I still perceive we have a long way to go, I'm seeing us take the steps that are necessary to get us there. The private sector, for example, while they're still not the very visible, dominant player in this space that we hope they will be, they are stepping up. And not only are they stepping up, they're collaborating, they're reaching out to the technical experts and really trying to jointly problem solve together. Along the same lines, I also see us within the water community reaching out to each other more readily than we used to, and really looking at what value and what expertise we each specifically bring into the situation to, again, truly co-develop. I see a lot more energy, and even if I don't see a lot of progress in that front, I see us really taking the baby steps that it requires for us to truly advance together. So I see this as a really strong sign and indicator we're on the right path, and look forward to being a part of the joint solutions that we put forward. So thanks again, Virginia. And with that, I pass the glass to Cate Lamb.